Eli? Elliot?
It scared me quite a bit because I didn't know what was going on.
Dad.
What?
I want to sleep in here tonight.
What?
I want to sleep in here.
Every kid's gonna be afraid of the dark at some point in their life. That's how I justified it. She was just experiencing that thing that all kids do.
No, I want to sleep in here. You saw it, didn't you? Go back to bed.
Move over,
no,
guys.
shut up and go back to sleep.
Move over.
I know you saw it.
Stephen wonders if the children will ever feel comfortable in the old house.